In this video, you'll learn how to add a profile picture on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize your profile and make it more recognizable to clients. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. In the address bar of your web browser, type in taskrabbit.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the dashboard option. You can find it typically at the top of the page, and clicking it will redirect you to your personal dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the account option positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on account to access your account settings. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear revealing various options related to your account. Next, find the section labeled My Tasks. Within this section, you will see the profile option. Click on Profile to proceed to your profile settings. This action will take you to a new screen where you can manage your profile details. Once the profile page loads, click on the Edit button. This button is usually prominently displayed and will open your profile settings where you can make changes. After clicking Edit, you should see various fields where you can update your information. Now it is time to add your profile photo. Look for the area designated for your profile picture or photo. This section typically features an option labeled Upload or Add Photo. Click on this option to begin the process of selecting an image. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to choose a photo from your computer, navigate through your files, and select the desired image you want to use as your profile picture. Once you've selected the image, confirm your choice to proceed. After selecting your photo, ensure that you click the Save or Update button to finalize the changes to your profile. This button is usually located at the bottom of the profile settings page. After clicking it, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. You've now successfully added a profile picture on Taskrabbit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.